हाउ आर यू। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टडी करेंगे रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर ऑन नंबर लाइन। ये क्लास 9th का टॉपिक है और इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द रेशनल नंबर। सो व्हाट आर द रेशनल नंबर? वंस अगेन आई एम जस्ट रिवाइज टू यू what are the rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be represented in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Now what are the irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be represented in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So irrational numbers normally denoted in square root. इरेशनल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? वो नॉर्मली डिनोटेड होते हैं स्क्वायर रूट्स में। स्क्वायर रूट्स में मतलब कि लाइक √2, √3, √5 एंड पाई इज आल्सो एन इरेशनल नंबर। पाई भी एक इरेशनल नंबर है। नाउ √2, √3, √5, तो दीज आर द इरेशनल नंबर। अब आप कहेंगे बोले सर √4 क्या एक इरेशनल नंबर है? No, because √4 is not an irrational number. √4 we can write √4 is equal to 2, right? Yes or no? Right. 2 को we can write 2 upon 1. Now p upon q. Here p represent 2, q represent 1. So this conditions fulfill the definitions of rational number. Rational number definitions क्या? p and q, p upon q की फॉर्म में p and q belongs to I and q is not equal to 0. So this √4 means 2 fulfill the conditions of the rational number, so it is a rational number. √4 or 2 is not an irrational number. √2, this is the prime number, 3 prime number, 5 prime number. It means what we understand in under root prime numbers in under roots और called the irrational number. इसके अलावा एक irrational number और होता है, that is pi. So in 8th class हमने पढ़ा था कि rational number को कैसे represent करते हैं नंबर लाइन पे. In 9th class what we will study? How an irrational number represent on the number line. एक irrational number को नंबर लाइन पे represent करना. So representation of irrational number of number line. Suppose our question is locate means represent. Locate √2 on number line. This is our question. Sometimes it comes into the exam and this is very important. You should know that how to represent the irrational number on number line. So before this, आपको याद होगा पाइथागोरस थ्योरम we have studied and we know about the Pythagoras theorem. What is this? I am just revise. Pythagoras theorem in any right angle triangle. In any right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree. A, B, C. At angle B, 90 degree angle. So in any right angle triangle, this side is called the hypotenuse, opposite sides of 90 degree. Suppose this is base and this is perpendicular P. P क्या है? Perpendicular. Perpendicular or height. So what Pythagoras theorem states? Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the Pythagoras theorem. So we will apply the Pythagoras theorem in this √2. Suppose base we consider as a 1 unit. What? 1 unit. And perpendicular is also 1 unit. Same. Suppose this is 3 centimeter, so this is also 3 centimeter, but 3 centimeter represent 1 unit. So now according to the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square, because b is equal to 1, t is equal to 1. H square is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 square is equal to 1 and 1 square is equal to 1. H square is equal to 2 and h is equal to under root 2. So h is equal to this h मीन्स AC की जो लेंथ है वो कितनी आएगी हमारी, √2. नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ √2 ऑन द नंबर लाइन. फॉर दिस सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. वी विल ड्रॉ ए नंबर लाइन. टेक O 0 हमने ले लिया, कहीं भी ले लेंगे सेंटर में. We know that on the right hand side of 0 all positive number, on the left hand side all negative number. √2 lies left hand side or right hand side, because this is plus, so this lies on the right hand side definitely. Now 0 √2 ऐसे है. Take point D, this is 1 unit is equal to 1 unit. OB is equal to 1 unit. Now protector से we will make the 90-degree angle. We will make 90-degree angle with the help of protector at point B. Now OB is equal to 1 unit, so BA is also a 1 unit. This is also a 1 unit. 1 and 1 join OA. So this is √2 by Pythagoras theorem. ऐसे √2 आ जाएगा. Now take O as a center. अब हमें कंपास की रिक्वायरमेंट्स होगी. कंपास लेंगे. Take O as a center. कंपास का निडल यहाँ पर रखा जाएगा पॉइंट. Take O as a center and OA radius and draw an arc. We will draw an arc. This arc cut this number line at point P. Correct? So this point P represent √2. Okay? एक बार फिर से बताता हूं. Again, first we will draw a line. उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, O ले लिया, 0 and OB is equal to 1 unit. At point B, make 90-degree angle by protector. Cut OA is equal to also 1 unit. Arc join OA. OA represent √2 by Pythagoras theorem. Now take O as a center and radius OA equal to radius OA and draw an arc. This arc cut this line at point P, and this point P represent the √2. Similarly, we can draw the √3. √3 भी हम ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते. कैसे, √2 हमारा ऑलरेडी ड्रॉ हुआ हुआ, यहां तक हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया. √2. अब देखो आप, इफ आई टेक √2 एज ए बेस, √2 एज ए बेस, दिस इज √2, 90-degree, दिस इज 1. This represent √3. कैसे, √2 का स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर, 2 plus 1 3, and this is √3. Okay? Now make 90-degree angle with the protector at point O. 90-degree कैसे बनेगा, like this. 90 degree. Now 1 unit, cut 1 unit. This point take as a C. Join O to C. OC represent √3. How? OA. Now this triangle is like this. √2 square plus 1 square. This is 90 degree. √2 1. Hypotenuse. √2 square plus 1 square, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3, is equal to h is equal to under √3. So this is represent under √3. Now take O as a center. Take O as a center and fill the radius equal to OC and make an arc. This arc intersect this line at point Q, and this point Q represent root 3. Similarly, we can represent root 5 also. Take root 3 as a center and make 90-degree angle. Cut one unit, D point. This is 3 plus 1, 4. Root 3, 3 plus 1, 4. This is 2 unit. Okay. Now I will tell you the root 5. Root 2, root 3. So for today I think this is sufficient. So just practice at your home how to represent root 2 and root 3 on the number line. Thank you very much. If you have any problem, then ask me anytime. Thank you.